Okay, now I am going to tell you how to write a program which will check if a number is Armstrong or not. Okay, so what is an Armstrong number is the first question. Okay, so an Armstrong number of 3 digits is an integer such that the sum of the cubes of its digits is equal to the number itself. Okay, similarly, if we have to say what is Armstrong number of 4 digits, then we will be saying it is an integer such that the sum of its digit raised to the power 4 is equal to the number itself. Okay, so I am writing the program. I will be writing this program such that it will be used to check if any number entered by the user is a palindrome number or not. Okay, now I am declaring some variables. Number, sum, I am initializing this to 0. Okay, now I also need to count the number of digits present in the number. Okay, first I am storing the number into a variable n, and now I am using a while loop which will help me to count the number of digits present in the number. Okay, so I have to initialize a variable digits, and I am initializing this to 0. In this loop I will be incrementing my digits. Okay, now since the value of n is now changed, so I again need to store a number in n. Okay, now I am using this loop for calculation of sum. So before that I am calculating the remainder, which I will get by dividing the number by 10. Okay, so here sum will be calculated like sum equal to sum plus, and now I need to calculate remainder to the power of digits. Okay, remainder to the power digits. So for this I will be using a power function which is included in math.h or cmath header file. Okay, so here I will be writing remainder comma digits. Okay, and then I will be decrementing n equal to n by 10. Now all I need to do is just check if the number equals to the sum or not. Okay, so if this is the case, I can print a message here: the number is Armstrong. Otherwise and now I am returning from the main function. Okay, I have saved this program. Now I will show you the output. Okay, there is error. Error is that I haven't declared the remainder. Again compiling this program. Okay, now if I enter 1, and this is an Armstrong number, of course. If I enter 0, this will also be an Armstrong number. If I enter 153, it's an Armstrong number. If I enter 370, it is also an Armstrong number. If I enter 1634, this is also an Armstrong number. Suppose that if I enter 22, this is not an Armstrong number. If I enter this value, this is again not an Armstrong number. Okay, so this was the program.